Hello, this is a video being recorded by T. Chase on February 9, 2013. I have a website called revelation13.net about predictions of the future by biblical prophecy, Nostradamus prophecies, also the King James Version English Bible Code. I've using the Bible, King James Bible Code and the King James Bible to search for words on various subjects and look for prophecies, and also astrology methods of prophecy. Now, what this video is on, using the King James Version Bible Code, I run a Bible Code software program and search for what are called Bible Code matrices in the King James Version Bible using search words, and the Bible Code software program searches for the words in Equidistant Letter Sequence searches, or ELS searches. And what I wanted to search for in this case was the look for a message from aliens. You know, aliens as in UFOs. Could there be buried in the Bible Code a message from aliens? So I simply tried looking for a matrix, Bible Code matrix, using search words. The message, MESSAGE, and alien. In other words, there is a hidden alien message in the Bible Code. Could there be? To see, I was curious what I would find, to see if there's a message from aliens inside the Bible Code. And I found in the New Testament, Christian New Testament, I found the at Acts 2:17 to 2:25. It's what you call a very small, tight matrix in terms of the words were found in a very small section of one book of the Bible, which makes it of interest. And the subject of that section is of interest. It's where Peter is talking, and he refers to our Old Testament prophecy of Joel. And what is interesting about the prophecy of Joel is that it can be compared to the Christian book of Revelation in terms of kind of an apocalyptic prophecy. So this, using search words, message, and alien, this Bible Code matrix was found at Acts 2:17 to 2:25 in the New Testament. And words of interest in this are, for example, at Acts 2:17, there is, and your young men shall see visions. And there's also in this matrix, I will pour out of my spirit, and hearken to my words. Interesting phrases in this matrix. In fact, if I read this section, 2:17 to 2:25, King James Version in Acts, as I said, this is where Peter is talking, and he says, and it shall come to pass in the last days, saith God, I will pour out of my spirit upon all flesh, and your sons and daughters shall prophesy, and your young men shall see visions, and your old men shall dream dreams. And on my servants and on my handmaidens I will pour out in those days of my spirit, and they shall prophesy. And I will show wonders in heaven and above, and signs in the earth beneath, blood and fire and vapor of smoke. The sun shall be turned into darkness, and the moon into blood, before that great and notable day of the Lord come. And it shall come to pass that whosoever shall call on the name of the Lord shall be saved. Ye men of Israel, hear these words. Jesus of Nazareth, a man approved of God among you by miracles and wonders and signs, which God did by him in the midst of you, as ye yourselves also know. Him being delivered by the determinate counsel and foreknowledge of God, ye have taken, and by wicked hands have crucified and slain, whom God hath raised up, having loosed the pains of death, because it was not possible that he should be holden of it. For David speaketh concerning him, I foresaw the Lord always before my face, for he is on my right hand, that I should not be moved. Anyways, certainly this is an interesting matrix for message alien to find, especially when it talks about these apocalyptic thing, and I will show wonders in heaven above and signs in the earth beneath, blood and fire and vapor of smoke. The sun shall be turned into darkness and the moon into blood before that great and notable day of the Lord come. Very similar to Book of Revelation prophecies. Then another matrix, Old Testament, was found using message and alien for search words, and this is at Psalms 89:45 to 91:7. Now, it's interesting that it includes the alien is found at, you have the phrase, they are asleep. And also in this matrix, the word wisdom. Anyways, I think it's interesting that these two matrices that were found for message and alien. In other words, is this an alien message hidden inside the King James Bible in the Bible code for us? Both these matrices are certainly would go along with that idea that they might be an important message for us, for mankind, in these passages. You can see more on these subjects on my website, revelation13.net. Thank you.